Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Fine. Morning, you watched all the videos, pictures which Madam had sent. So, what are the different sources of water? All that you know. Now, Madam is going to show one magic for you all. You see here, Madam has taken some water. I am pouring it. Can you see? I am pouring it in one vessel. I have kept the vessel on the gas stove. Can you see the gas stove? Yes. And now what I am going to do is, I am going to light see, this is the lighter. With the lighter, I am going to light it. So first, Madam has poured the water. Now I have lighted the gas. Let us see what is happening. Can you see the water inside the vessel? Yes, all of you? Okay, now let us watch what is happening. Now what is happening to the water? We are heating it. Is it not? We are heating it. So what the water will do, you would have seen in the house also for making chai. Mummy boils the water. Is it not? Okay. Let us see what is happening to the water. Then did you all see the pictures? Have you all finished your homework? Home assignment which Madam had sent? Yeah. All of you. Some of you had posted, but still some of you are making the mistake. You are not posting in the classwork. You are posting under private comments. Or you post under stream. Still Ayaz, Prerna, all of them. They are posting under private comments only. There you must not post. And I told you must put the date. Yes, all that you remember. Is it very hot there near your house also? Then how do you feel if it's very hot? How do you feel? Feel like switching on the AC. Very good. Then yesterday in Magic Garden lesson, what we feeling to drink? Water. What it is? Thirsty. Okay. See, now let us see what is happening to this water here. Can you see, all of you? Some more time. I'll just put it in high flame for you. Here this side, can you see some small here bubbles? Can you see here this side of the vessel? Yeah, inside also. See. Now you see, I'm just showing in close up for you. Something is coming up now, bubble. Yeah. Can you see? Yeah. Let's see what's happening. Can you hear one sound? If you're quiet, you listen. You can hear. You can see one bubble jumping here. Slowly, many bubbles have come near the corners, full, the boundary. Yeah. Watching, all of you? Now the bubbles are becoming more. Like our rain claps. First we give slowly, then it becomes more. Now you see? Can you? Bigger bubbles. Small bubbles. Now it is becoming big. What is happening to the water now? It's boiling. Water is boiling. Can you see now all the whole water which I kept? Yeah. Now see near. It's very hot. Can you see smoke coming out like this? We say aviri, like that. Even when you get very cold, what mummy does? She boils the water, she puts some amritanjan or jandu balm inside that. She covers you with a cloth. Now you see the water boils and you can see the smoke like coming up. You can try in your house also if you are not able to see here properly. From far, are you able to see? This water bubbles. See how it is coming up. One smoke like it is coming now. Yeah. Now what madam is going to do, you see. All of you can see? Now can you see the smoke? From this side you can see. When you heat the water, water goes up. Now you see. Yes? Okay, now let us close it, and I am going to keep one plate on top of it for you. Let us see what happens. I am just going to close this water. Now you can see the steam coming out. That is called steam. Now we will close it. And we will come. After some time we will come and see. Now there is one more thing for you to see. Can you see this? Yeah, what is this? All of you, in the summer season we use it. Yeah, the ice cubes. How do we get this ice cubes? Magic? What we do? We take this water. We take simple little water and we pour it in the ice tray. Now this also we are going to see now. See, this is one ice tray which I am having. What shape? First we must wash. Nowadays whatever we do we must wash. Is it not? Okay. Now let us pour water. Yeah, can you see madam pouring water? Yeah, all of you? Yes? Okay, now this is water. Fully we have poured. Let us leave this inside the freezer. Where we are going to leave? Inside the freezer. I am just leaving it there. Inside the freezer for you. And let us see what happens tomorrow morning. We will see. Now shall we open this ice you saw? This is also water. Yes or no? Water or ice. On cooling it becomes ice. Solid. Here on heating what it becomes. Let us see now. Now just we will open this and see. Now can you see? Can you see this plate full of water falling down? Yes, all this hot water. When we close and keep this water which is falling down, it is called water vapor. And you see inside the water also. Okay, this hot water, when we take it out, it falls as water vapor. All this is water vapor. Now, so this water exists in three, like how double action films we say, no, double action film. Like that, this water is taking three actions. Three actions. What are they? Let us see, wait.